Well, today we're going to paint the front half of this. I have faith. I mean, look at, I'm not, and these are deep. Okay, we're just gonna matte black it. Basically, anything's better than two different colors. We're gonna Turbocan it. Why not, right? $14.99. There is a gentle first coat. Don't want to do it too crazy. There's the second coat. Almost got all of it covered. Third coat is done. Ah, that looks way better than white. Now we just gotta do the sides. Now, this side. Yay. Sense the enthusiasm. Totally loving this. For all you body guys that are going, oh no, don't do that. You know, yeah, you're messing it up. Yeah, okay. But, I mean, look at, I'm not, and these are deep. I'm not doing all that. I'm not doing that, like, it's got dings and dents, and I'm not doing all that. Like, I'm not worrying about fixing all this stuff. I just don't want it to be white. Well, unless that half was white, then that'd be fine. It'll be fine. Trust me. I have faith. Alright, let's get more of it sanded. We're gonna maybe get this done. At least sanded a little bit, I'm sure. All sanded. I'm going like kind of rat rod style. You know, simple, basic. If I want a pristine, I wouldn't go with a flat black. Okay, we got the second coat on there. And the sun's going down, so as that's happening, it's looking better. I don't know if it's because of the paint or because it's getting dark out. Either way. Sweet. That is way better than white. What do you think? Yeah, we just won't look in the bed. That's fine. But now you can definitely tell that. Black and blue, that works. All right, that's fine. It's a lot better. Even with its little dings, that's fine. Character. All done. Look at that. All those big gouges and everything all along here. You know, above the tire. Look at that. We got all those out. That's dust. That looks so much better. See, look at this. I was like, I'm not even going to try to do a good job. And I mean, it looks okay. It looks okay. Could be worse. Could be white still. Well, today we're going to paint the front half of this. Figured it could rain. It's possible. There's a chance of it. Super windy. Today's definitely the best day to do this. Now you might be asking, why would you do this? The missus asked me that same exact thing, and when she figures it out, I'll let you guys know.
What? Like my setup? I know, man. Professional.
Never even know. Shh. Actually, it turned out pretty decent. Just to say, as I'm sanding this, like, these were big drips. I don't know why you can see it. Look at, from whoever painted this before. Like they did a quick job. Basically what I'm doing, except I'm not doing it as lazy. You know, just like here, this has already been sanded, but I gotta sand it more. You know, these big drips. So they had big chunks taken out of here, which I tried to level out. So just to say, it's not, I'm not going for perfect, but I'm just not going for unbelievably crappy. Like they had big drips here, you can still see it partially. So these are the things that I'm trying to improve while doing a quick, lazy job. Just the thoughts. Yeah, here's more of that paint runs right here. They're all over. Two coats. I think it's going to be pretty close to blending. Who knows? It's better than blue and white. Done. I'm going to call it a win. It's good. Remember those spots all up here? I haven't wiped everything off. You know, or these big ones that were here? All the big chipping and stuff that was there. There's a tiny spot there I see I missed, but all that's good. So I'm gonna call that a win. Granted, everything's dirty already, but success. Now I ain't gotta worry about it no more. Do I say it? Dare I say it? Done. It is back on. I think it's attached. Yeah, I think it's there. Okay. No big paint runs. It's same color. Look at this. Look at. It's it's close enough.